India is my country. All Indians here. My brothers and sisters. And I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai.
And today's international and national news is brought to you by Vanilla of Great Name Jasper. International news. Iran launches 3 satellites into space that are part of a Western criticized program as tensions rise. Finland elects president amid tensions with Russia. National news. Governments of lockdown was source of inspiration for constitution makers by PM Modi. Bihar political crisis after submitting resignation of Nitish Kumar says relations with RJD has not been good. Thank you.
Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Pusta of Grade 9 Jasper. State news. BRS Chief KCR to take oath as Gajwel MLA on February 1st. Kavita demands BC Welfare Ministry at Centre. Sports news. India vs England first test. England beats India with 28 runs in first test. Pakistan hockey teams fails to qualify for Olympics. Former player says it's depressing. Thank you. Have a nice day.
This weather report is brought to you by C. Karthik of Grade 10 Junior. Weather report. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. Humidity 91%. Wind speed 10 km per hour. Thank you.
Even today's thought of the day is brought to you by Junior 10 Saiti of Junior 10 Jasper. Thought. The only way to do great work is to love the work you do. I repeat my thought. The only way to do great work is to love the work you do. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Knowledge of Grade 10 Junior. Word paranoid. It's an adjective. Its meaning irrationally anxious or suspicious. Friends, please spell after me. Paranoid. It spells as PARANOID.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by Netra from Grade 10 Junior Jasper. Question for Grade 6. What is the longest river in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 7. Who heads the RBI? I repeat my question. Who heads the RBI? Sorry, you did not pick the answer, and the answer is Governor. Question for Grade 8. What country has the most natural lakes? I repeat my question. What country has the most natural lakes? Sorry, you didn't pick the answer, and the answer is Canada. Question for Grade 9. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Japan. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. Which city is known as the Garden City of India? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Bengaluru. Let's appreciate them. In which country Pink River is located? I repeat my question. In which country Pink River is located? Sorry, you picked the wrong answer, and the answer is Canada. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hey everyone, today's amazing facts is brought to you by Sharath from Grade 10 Jasper. Fact number 1. It takes about 8 minutes for the sunlight to reach Earth. Fact number 2. The human body is made up of 0.2 million grams of gold. Fact number 3. Your brain uses 10 watts of energy to think and does not feel pain. Fact number 4. The human eye blinks an average of 4,20,000 times in a year. Fact number 5. No number before 1000 contains the letter A. Thank you.
Greetings who are present here. I am Nandini of Grade 10 Junior, here to say you about article and sports. Commonwealth Games Sports. The Commonwealth Games Sports comprise all the sports officially recognized and approved by the Commonwealth Games Federation.
There are a total of 16 crore sports and a further 4 crores para sports that are competed at every games. The Commonwealth Games is a quadrennial international multi-sport event among athletes from the Commonwealth of Nations, which mostly consists of territories of the former British Empire. The event was the first held in 1930 and, with the exception of 1942 and 1946, has successively run every 4 years since. Athletics, swimming, and cycling most popular Commonwealth Games sports. The 2022 Commonwealth Games begin in Birmingham with millions of ushers set to run, swim, and cycle alongside the Australian team. Thank you. Have a wonderful.
All Indian sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of history and very talented. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Myself, Sri Reddy from Grade 5 Hazel. Today, I am here to update you international and national news. International news. Iran launches 3 satellites into orbit with different purposes. National news. Only 1% of women screened for cervical cancer in India. It's far less than many BRICS nations. Students, State and Sport News is brought to you by P. Freddy of Grade 5 Hazel. State News. But he promises full support to builders, says Hyderabad idle for investment. Sport news. Head coach Rahul Dravid defends India batters after pole show against England. It is not like we have been picking players out of nowhere. Thank you. It is brought to you by Tagore of Weather Report. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, mostly cloudy. Thank you. Brought to you by Tagore of Weather Report. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to be great. I'll repeat again. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to be great. Thank you. And myself, Vishwak from Grade 5 Hazel is updating you with word. Word, freedom. The power or right to speak, act, or think as one wanted. Friends, please spell after me. Freedom. F-R-E-E-D-O-M. Freedom. Thank you.
Session of Grade 5 Hazel. Here to provide you some facts about Father of Surgery. The title Father of Surgery is attributed to Sushmita, an assistant and clinician and surgeon. He is best known for his contributions in the field of surgery. He has written a book known as Sushmita Samhita, explaining about medicine and surgery. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Amazing facts about our solar system is brought to you by Sweta of Grade 5 Hazel. Amazing fact number 1. The Sun is about 99.86% of total mass of our solar system. Fact number 2. Pluto till 2006 was the ninth planet in solar system, but now it is a dwarf planet. Fact number 3. Saturn is famous for its rings made up of ice particles. Thank you. Nanjini from grade 1 Hazel. Question for grade 1. When do we celebrate Republic Day? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is January 26. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. What is the capital of India? Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer, and the answer is New Delhi. Question for grade 3. What is the smallest country in the world?
Goa.
So, I repeat again my question. Which is the smallest country in the world? Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer. And the answer is Vatican City. Question for grade 4. Who is the known as father of Constitution? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is V Ambedkar. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. When do we celebrate National Constitution Day? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is November 26. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a good day. Today's History of the Week is brought to you by Likita of grade 5th Hazel. Friends, do you know why last week was important in India's history? In 1950, on 24 January, we have adopted Janagana Mana as our national anthem. In 1950, on 26 Jan, our Indian Constitution fully started working or came into being. Thank you. Have a grateful Monday.